Introduce features highlight about Kimanli 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, 2000 PA, Sweeping Robot, Intelligent Household Cleaning Machine, Automatic Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and Mopping. For pet hair/hard floor, dark blue, black. If you want to get full features highlight and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The robotic vacuum cleaner features sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. Maintain gleaming hard floors. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks up furs, debris, dust, and dirty easily and efficiently. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2.7-inch thin low profile that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to fit under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. Port equipped with 2000 PA strong suction, the robot vacuum cleaner can easily suck up breadcrumbs and confetti dust. Designed with two side brushes, this robot vacuum cleaner can help you clean thoroughly and avoid clogging and hair tangles. The carpet-style hardwood floor robot vacuum slim auto vacuum has 9.8 x 9.8 x 2.7-inch low profile designed to easily fit under the couch, sofa or bed. Up to 60 minutes of constant, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave from this robotic vacuum cleaner. Noise, 55 dBA, power watt. Again, if you want to get full features highlight and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.